Hello traders, welcome to a new video at Easy Trading channel. In this video we will see a very simple strategy to enter the market like a pro. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. These are the indicators that we will use in the strategy. Laguerre filter multi-time frame, daily and 4 hours. Laguerre relative strength index. These are the settings for the indicators. Laguerre filter multi-time frame tell us about the trend. Daily Laguerre filter give us the long-term trend and 4 hours Laguerre filter about the short-term trend. We only will trade if both Laguerre filters are in the same direction. Crosses up or down from oversold or overbought zones of the Laguerre RSI will give us an entry signal to the market. Laguerre filter multi-time frame will confirm this signal if both filters point in the same direction, that is, both trends are bullish or bearish. Now, let's see the rules for a long position. First, wait for a bullish cross from the oversold zone of the Laguerre RSI. Second, Laguerre filter multi-time frame must be bullish, that is, both lines must be green. Finally, we place a buy order at the close of the candle. Then, we place a stop loss order at the 4 hours Laguerre filter. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. The rules for a short position are the opposite. First, wait for a bearish cross from the overbought zone of the Laguerre RSI. Second, Laguerre filter multi-time frame must be bearish, that is, both lines must be red. Finally, we place a sell order at the close of the candle. Then, we place a stop loss order at the 4 hours Laguerre filter. The take profit order will be set at 2 times the risk. Now let's make a backtest to this strategy. We will test it with the euro-dollar pair in a 4-hour time frame, and we will do it for 20 trades. Remember that you must test the strategy at least 100 trades before playing with real money. At the end of the video I'll show you the results of the backtest. These are the results of the backtest. The strategy has been tested on the Forex market and in the euro-dollar pair. The time frame is 4 hours and the risk per trade is 2%. The win rate is 70% and the maximum drawdown is 4%. We increase our account size by 57%. That's all guys, I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.